The next topic is breadth-first search. Here, the breadth-first search is a type of graph traversal algorithm. It is used to traverse or searching a graph in a systematic fashion. So, it is used as the strategy that searches the graph in the breadth-first manner whenever the possible. And these BFS search algorithm implemented by using the queue data structure. So, this is the given example. Here, we have taken the six different nodes A, B, C, D, E, F. So here the BFS traversal order of the above graph is A, B, C, D, E, F. So how it is implemented? This is the step 1. First create and maintain three variables for each vertex of the graph. So for any vertex of the graph, these three variables are color V, the variable represents the color of the vertex P at a given point of any time. So the possible values of the variable, it is a white, gray and black. So the white color of the vertex signifies that it has not been discovered yet. Gray color of the vertex, it signifies that it has been discovered and it is being processed. Black color, it's used to represent that verifies it has been completely processed. And the second one, the phi of v, the variable represents that is the ancestor of the vertex v. So the d of v, that is the destination of the vertex, the variable represents that the distance of the vertex v from the source vertex. Here the step 2, for each vertex of the given graph except the source vertex, initialize the variable, that is color of the vertex equal to white and the tt of v null and the destination of the vertex is infinite. Once the source vertex is initialized, then that source vertex color it has to be turned into gray. Then that time that tt of source equal to nil and the destination of the source is assigned as 0. Now enqueue the source vertex S into Q and repeat the following procedure until the queue becomes empty. So dequeue the vertex V from Q. So for all the adjacent white vertices U of the vertex V, then do, that is the color of the vertex, it's a gray, then that is the U vertex, it is, that is once it is the distance of the vertex it is calculated plus 1, then that U vertex which is assigned by the V value, then NQ that Q comma P. So color vertex V2 black. So this is the algorithm. This algorithm follows the above steps. So here first search algorithm which has been defined from the vertices and edges and S. For each vertex in V that is going to be stored in the source. Then initialize color, it will be the white and distance of the vertex initially all the uh, vertices it's noted as infinite, then that is tt of v value it is initially null. Once that source vertex is identified, then it has to be turned into gray color, then that source value which is going to be assigned as a 0, then this time tt of s source value is equal to null, then that value is going to be assigned to the q, then that q value which is going to be nq, that is q of source value. When q it is non-empty, so that time we have to do the process of dequeue process. So here for each vertex of u that has to be processed. Then that time all the white vertexes has to be turned into gray color. Then that vertices value which is going to be incremented by 1. So then that is the enqueue process which is going to be done. All the enqueue process once it is over, that is the color of the vertex which is going to be become black. So here the overall the total running time of the breadth first search, that is the time complexity, it is a big O of B plus E. Here the given problem, here we have taken the 8 different modes, that is R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Here we are going to be implement the breadth first search technique here by using the vertex S. It is the starting vertex. So initially all the vertexes are white, and that is the S, it will be the starting vertex, that's why it is denoted as 0, and the remaining vertexes are infinite value. So initially that Q which is going to store the starting vertex value S. So initially all the nodes are white. When the starting vertex is S, when it is decided, that color it has to be turned into gray color. So once that source vertex it has been identified, it is immediately identified that nearest destination points. That is the nearest breadth first point. That nearest breadth first point R and W for the source of S. So then immediately the source vertex from gray into black color, and as well as that destination of that source node of the distance of vertex is equal to R for 1 and as well as W for 1. So NQ that adjacent all white vertices into gray, and the source vertex color which is going to be black. Then here we have identified that we are going to be Q is the W and R vertices. Now the W vertices which is going to be identified that next to two adjacent vertices. That adjacent vertices, then it is going to be become that gray into black, then it is going to be become a parent. So that is it is going to be have the two branches, that is T and X. Then it has to be two parents, two ancestors. That's why that vertices is it is filled with the value of 2, that is T and X. Then that is Q, it has been filled with R and T and X. Then color of the W which is going to be become into black. Similarly, the following steps are processed for R, then that time T and X, V that is going to be queued into the data structure, and the step 5. Next it is going to be processed the variable of X, V and U, X, V and U. So once the ancestors of the respective node it has been deducted, then that respective nodes which is going to be gray to black color. So this is the way all the nodes which is getting processed. Still the all the nodes from turned into from white color to gray to black color. So this is the final step. Here we are going to dequeue the vertex y from the queue of, and here we do not have any adjacent white vertices to vertex y. So then color of y which is going to be black. So since all the vertices have turned into the black and the queue has got empty, then we are going to be stop the process. So this is the concept of breadth first algorithm, and we will discuss the new topics in the next video. Thank you.